How to add referral code in Binance after registration. So let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Binance.com. After that, sign into your account and you'll be redirected to your account's homepage. Here, you will see an overview of your account, including your balances and recent activity. Next, hover over your cursor over the account icon at the top right corner, and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Referral. This will take you to the referral page where you can manage your referral settings. Once the referral page opens up inside your browser, you will see your unique referral link along with options to invite friends. To invite your friends, simply click on the invite button. You can then share your referral link directly through various social media platforms by clicking on the dedicated platform icons, or you can copy the referral link and send it to your friends via email or messaging apps. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.